another thing to note is, rather than measuring the antioxidants in your body, why not measure how much excess free radicals you have? Okay, because the antioxidants, you take the antioxidants to fight the free radicals. You will know how healthy or unhealthy you are as far as the free radicals antioxidants equation is by just testing how much free radicals still remain. All right. Why do we talk about free radical load and not antioxidant, net antioxidant? Because there's always net excess and free radical in your system. Right? Because as long as you're producing energy, free radicals are being produced. Not only that, not only the mitochondria produce the free radicals. Some of your defense immune cells, the white cells, use free radicals to kill bacteria. All right, so even free radicals have a role in your body. The white blood cells use free radicals to kill bacteria. So just like cholesterol, cholesterol is not bad. Okay, very important. Right? It's just excess cholesterol is bad. Free radicals are not all bad. They play a role in our body. It's excess free radicals that are bad. So every day, each cell is bombarded by over 10,000 free radicals. So the cells need plenty of antioxidants for protection, and different cells need different types of antioxidants, and there's so many types, right, including anthocyanins, polyphenols, and others. All right. So now, if you understand what free radicals are, what antioxidants are, how they play their roles in the body, and I mentioned to you, why not find out how much excess free radicals you have? This can be measured in the blood, or there is a test that you can do on your urine. Okay, a test you can do on your urine. It's called the urine free radical test. Now it's called the Oxy score. By coincidence, 12 years ago, I and my partner, Dr. Terry, we were the ones who brought this test from USA. But at that time, people didn't understand. We were too early of our time. People didn't understand all this. I gave talks to medical doctor specialists, and they just took, Nowadays, of course, everyone knows that because every MLM person also knows about antioxidants and free radicals. Right? But this test is very simple. You just take your urine, and there is a chemical that you add your urine to, and from the color, you will know how much excess free radicals you have. This is an important test because it tells how much excess free radicals we have. All right? It's just like if I tell you I have 1 million, you think, wow, I'm rich. You say so because you don't know I have 10 million debts. All right? Okay? So it's not how much asset, how much liability. It's what your net worth is important. Right? It's not how much free radicals, it's not how much antioxidants, how much excess free radicals you have. That means already taken care of by the antioxidants, what remains. If that is too much, then you're in trouble. All right. So sometimes you do the urine test and it doesn't improve. All right, it doesn't improve even though you say you're taking a supplement. If that happens, then you must remember that sometimes what the body needs is other parts of the cascade, because you know the antioxidants work as a team. But you cannot just say, I'm taking Maqui, therefore I don't need vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E. No, you will need all the antioxidants. All right. What we are saying is this is special because as an antioxidant, it is very, very powerful. Look at the most powerful in terms of ORAC score. All right, but it cannot replace all the other antioxidants in the world. All right, you still need a balanced diet. Because no single superstar can replace a whole team of super antioxidants. All right. So in our battle of anti-aging, no one antioxidant can fight all the free radicals on its own. In fact, a super strong antioxidant is often a large molecule and therefore moves slowly and is clumsy. Hence, it cannot do its work when needed. So if you have even a super antioxidant, but if it's not absorbed or it's too big to go to the cells where it's needed, too big to go inside the cell, then it's useless. All right. So especially when you have something that is natural, when it's in food form, right? You can well expect it to be absorbed because it is food. Okay? And if you want to know whether it is getting to the cells or not, you can see from the results of whether it makes you healthy or not. Right? And sometimes the work of certain antioxidants become jammed because the other team members are not there. Remember, they all work as a team. In the body, antioxidants work as a team. Okay, so I am strongly in favor of having a mixture of antioxidants. And in fact, while we're talking about Maqui, superberry, Miss Annie confirmed to me that when you're drinking the juice, it is a blend. And yeah, we have the superberry inside there, but it also has other berries inside there. So you're getting a mixture of many antioxidants as well, not just one. And this is an example of the basic work that goes inside your cell. All right. Most of you are familiar with vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamins E being antioxidants. All right. Some of you may be familiar with the role of coenzyme Q10, alpha-lipoic acid, and glutathione, right, which is a master antioxidant inside the cells. Meaning, I'm showing this to show you that they have to work as a team, and all the polyphenols and all the anthocyanins that you take then will come in and join this team, right? They don't work samely in the body. Okay, so having a good antioxidant is one, making sure that antioxidant gets absorbed and goes to the target areas is another important thing. That's why you will know that even among the berries, some that have been studied before, you know certain berries are good for the eyes, certain berries for different organs. Why is it? Okay, so they cannot be effective on the eye if they cannot get there. Right? When they get there, the receptors there bind them more than they bind other antioxidants. That's why they are especially good for the eyes. So Maqi's superberry is relatively new compared to the other berries. A lot of research are being done, and slowly but surely we're going to have reports of its goodness in the different organs because if it's as good as we expect it to be, it will be available to all the cells, from the brain to the heart to the eyes to the kidneys and all that, and it will not be surprising to us when the studies come out and show yes, it's good for the eyes, the brain, or for the heart, because we expect it to be available in the cells. Right? So that's availability of this antioxidants. Okay, so you have your choice, but now they're only selling the liquid and the powder, the capsules in future, waiting registration. Alright. So it is important, as a scientist, as a doctor, that I talk and recommend to you something that is backed by science. All right, we've heard all the studies done on Maqui, and this is called evidence-based nutritional program. That means what we talk, there is evidence behind it. We don't just talk about because there's an exotic fruit in Chile, must be good. No. All right, the story is nice, exciting, but the science is even more exciting because we can prove to people who say, no, something that's better. What is your number? This is our number, 27600. What's the number? We will not touch 27600.